to see everything sort of new and it's as beautifully realized as it was designed has just been super exciting, and be able to actually make everything how we need it to be. The PAÍS Center has such a nice collection of laboratories, and so many of them are already working with each other. So we already have students that are working in my lab as well as in another center, and they're able to do like really exciting new work involving technology that wasn't there before. I believe they're processing plant samples from the field site where we studied the chimpanzees. And they're able to make intellectual connections that I don't think were as easy to realize in the past. Our lab grew out of a long-term field research project with wild chimpanzees in Uganda. We faced a problem in that we wanted to know more about the social and ecological factors influencing animal health and physiology, so things like reproductive function, stress, and health. But we couldn't trap the chimps, we couldn't weigh them or take blood samples, so we developed lab protocols that would allow us to adapt common clinical methods for use with urine and feces. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and our lab now has a library of over 40,000 urine samples from chimps. We work with a range of collaborators at UNM and at other universities to design and implement research protocols that use things like saliva, hair, urine, or small amounts of blood from finger pricks. We do some of this as full-service contract work, but more often we're working with students directly to train them on the protocols they need to do their research. Currently, the Chimp Center is leading an NIH-funded project on the comparative biology of aging, as well as 2 NSF-funded research projects, one on the endocrinology of human romantic relationships, and the other on the evolution of leadership. With all these projects, we really outgrew our old space in anthropology, so we're so excited about our new lab, which is on the 2nd floor of the building, because for the first time in years, we have access to all of our equipment and sample libraries together in one place, and we have the space to teach our interdisciplinary lab courses. Even more exciting is that we can interface more directly with our colleagues in other PAÍS centers like Aspire and CSI and take our ongoing collaborations to the next level.